This fleet of high-tech robots will move Aptera from station to station during the production process.
So we can build solar EVs right here. So let's get started.
AGV stands for Automated Guided Vehicles. They're self-propelled vehicles with movement guided by software and sensors. We can't wait to deliver solar mobility to
It can be difficult to navigate what's real, what is possible, and what is just buzz when it comes to applying artificial intelligence and machine learning to everyday business challenges. At Clear Intelligence, we are focused on helping organizations improve quality by using AI and machine learning for visual inspection. More manufacturing companies are adopting AI and machine learning to reduce overall cost of production, improve employee safety, and increase the quality of their products. For example, a current project in the railcar manufacturing business applies AI vision to inspect the quality of welds. Adding AI vision to their process removed manual inconsistencies, accuracy errors, and top-down pressures to increase output. Clear Intelligence has created the solution to visually detect weld discontinuities in real time as the railcar moves through the welding process. As each piece of the railcar is being welded together, there is a camera and inkjet sprayer attached to the gantry about 300 degrees from the start of the weld. This camera visually detects any discontinuities in the weld, and simultaneously the inkjet sprayer marks the tank for rework. This means once the tank is done being welded, it is also done being inspected, saving time in the production process, increasing accuracy of the data, and generating more throughput. Clear's AI vision solution helps manufacturing industries increase production throughput by reducing delays and bottlenecks while safely ensuring the best product quality for their customers.